Have you seen the latest about what's going on with Dimensions Cross Stitch Kits? It is fantastic news for those of us who love to stitch them. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle, and I am not running out to buy any kits right now, but I'm still giddy about this. 123 cross stitch, 123, no. 123 Stitch has 4 pages of Dimensions kits back on their website. So I went back to the Advantis.com website, decided to look, and if you go to the very bottom of the front page, to the stripe with the links at the bottom, and click on catalogs, in the extreme right-hand side of the top row is a Dimensions catalog. It is 102 pages. Not all of that is cross-stitch. There is needlepoint, there is needle felting, latch hook, and I can't remember what all else, but there is a lot of cross-stitch. I am a bit confused because at least one of the kits that shows a new emblem on it, I picked up at Hobby Lobby at a clearance sale years ago. So I'm not sure what's going on there. The kits that I saw in that catalog that was going around about 4 months ago online that I love the best aren't there. But there are Dimensions kits. There are a lot of them. And a lot of the big gold collection kits that were available recently are still there. The Christmas kits, pretty much all the new kits that I've been stitching on recently are still there. So if you did not get them before the bankruptcy, don't panic. It gets confusing because there are a whole lot of websites with variations of dimensionscrossstitch.com or .org that are not official sites. And the link from the Advantis site that goes to their official Dimension site goes to their Amazon page. There are some listings on there that don't look right. They look like Dimensions kits, but the prices on them are astronomical for things that are not old kits. So I don't know what is going on there. Are you ordering from 123 Stitch? Did you get what you wanted before the bankruptcy or during the bankruptcy? Are you waiting, hoping that some of those kits that were posted on Reddit actually are real and that they get released later? Because that's what I'm doing. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'm Michelle. This is my romantic tangle, and I'll be back with you with more videos soon.